Did you know? Over 60% of Class XI-XII students say they feel lost within the first month of the academic year. But what if 3 simple changes in your study routine could completely change your results? Welcome to the ultimate jumpstart guide for Class 11 and 12 students. Whether you're aiming for boards, GE, NEET, or just clarity, this video is for you. Let's talk about 3 essential study tips that could be your game changers this year. Let's face it, senior secondary isn't easy. Between long chapters, peer pressure, family expectations, and competitive exams, it's a lot. Most students struggle with 3 major problems. Time management chaos, not knowing what to study, when, or how. Motivation meltdown, starting strong, but burning out fast. Exam anxiety, feeling like your mind goes blank even when you've studied. But it doesn't have to be this way. Let's fix it, step by step. Tip 1. The 2-hour power block. Pick your most focused time of the day, and study your toughest subject in a 2-hour power block. No distractions, no multitasking, just deep work. It's not about studying long, it's about studying smart. Tip 2. The 7-3-1 review method. To actually retain what you study, review your notes 3 times. Once in 7 days, again in 3, and finally 1 day before your test. It's simple neuroscience, repetition equals sign memory. Tip 3. The mind dump plus plan routine. At the end of each day, write down what's on your mind, then plan tomorrow. This clears stress and helps you sleep better, because mental clutter equals sign academic clutter. A student I knew barely passed her first unit test, but when she started using just one of these tips, 2-hour power blocks, everything changed. From a score of 53% to 91%, it wasn't magic, it was method. And you can do it too. So remember, Power Block 7-3-1 review and Mind Dump plus plan. These aren't just study tips, they're study shifts, and they could define your year. If you found this helpful, drop your favorite study tip in the comments and share this video with your friends. Let's build a student community that helps each other win. And watch our next video for more real strategies to make this your best academic year ever. Don't forget to subscribe.